Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play a game on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone and I didn't know guys that we can play a game on Instagram. But today I have just found out the trick to play a game. So I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And to play a game, we need to go to our Instagram direct messages. Click on this icon to open up your Instagram DM, and you need to send an emoji to your friends to ask them to join the game. I'm going to send emoji to this account, and basically we can choose any emoji that we want. As you can see, I have sent this emoji, this love emoji, and I'm going to send another emoji. I'm going to click on emoji and let's try this one. Okay, I'm going to send it, and to play a game, we can just we can simply click on the emoji like this, and the game will be started. Okay, and this is how we can play this simple game on Instagram, and we need to get the score. Oops, sorry. We need to get hits as many as we can. And this is for my score, and this is my friend's score. And I'm the winner. And if you want to play again, just click on play again. Like this, and ask your friend to open up the DM and you can play it together. Oops, game over. And I'm going to try another emoji. I'm going to click on the emoji and let's try this one. Okay, click on the emoji. Oops, game over. And wait, I'm going to explore more emoji. Let's try this basketball. Okay, we can use all the emoji, guys. I'm going to play again. And you have to get high score, as high as you can, so you can be the winner. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to go back. That's so fun, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to play a game on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!